Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the FlexJobs and the best free alternatives that you can actually get from it. So the first one is we work remotely. Now this is the first one that you can have advanced remote jobs. So it has over decades of experience in the field, connects over 130,000 monthly users, free to browse and apply, but you don't have job waiting like FlexJobs, small volume of listings and tech focused. So fewer non-tech roles. That's something to be aware of. Also, another one is called Remote OK. Now, Remote OK is one of the most prominent and prominent remote jobs boards. So listing remote jobs in software development, customer support, marketing, design, and other industries. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself for work. And but there are also a lot of jobs in the software engineering. So another one is also Himalayas jobs for the remote, and these ones are also another one that you can check out for yourself. So fast growing remote job board, over 80,000 remote jobs across various tech categories. You can create detailed profile to showcase your skills and experience. But the cons, the number of listings might be smaller than FlexJobs itself. Many jobs are from the US company, so truly global coverage may be a bit limited. And it's kind of a newer platform on the market. So that's for that. Also, another one that I want to share with you is Remote CO. So with the Remote CO is a job board and resource hub for remote workers and employees. It provides comprehensive list of remote jobs across various industries, and it's a legitimate remote job board and resource hub. It offers quality job listing vetted for remote work suitability and adds value with its educational content. So that's pretty much it.